Hello friends. So today we are going to start English speaking practice with newspaper. So today the news that we are going to cover the latest happening in the city in India on the arrest of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. Everybody knows that Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been arrested by Enforcement Directorate of Enforcement. So there are many questions that why he has been arrested, should he have been arrested, or he should not have been arrested, and why ED have taken such a thing that they have to arrest Delhi CM, and they had arrested. Why it happened? And was uh, is Kejriwal really culprit or not? Has Kejriwal done some bad thing which is not permissible as per law, or has he not done anything? Like whether he is really culprit or he is not really culprit. So if you belong to Delhi, then you might have seen on the Delhi roads that Delhi streets has turned into a battleground as of today. You see, like Aam Aadmi Party workers and Bharatiya Janata Party BJP workers, they all are, exchanging barbs. They are throwing the comments on each other. They are involved in the arguments. Uh, Aam Aadmi Party say that it's all the election political attire. This is a political attire, a trauma by BJP government, and BJP is saying that everything is happening as per law. So ED is acting as per law, the honorable courts are acting as per law. So everybody is in the exchange of barbs. So what you guys think that whether Kejriwal has really done some wrong thing or he has not done? Like if you see High Court Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma, Honorable Justice Swarna Kanta Sharma, High Court has denied giving relief to Kejriwal, and the matter has been scheduled to be heard on April 3rd. So like they have really denied that they can't, because the High Court can't give bail to Arvind Kejriwal. So what's wrong in the matter? Why this all is happening? So this whole matter, this is related to the excise policy case, excise liquor policy case. So if you see, previously there were very less liquor shops in Delhi. So now liquor shops recently, if you know, this is an excise policy case issue, liquor money laundering case basically, that revolves around the liquor case. So the private people came and it has been said that Kejriwal and his party took money as a bribe from private vendors, and they gave the licenses to those private firms, and it was a money laundering case revolving around excise and liquor. So this is the whole matter. So in that case, ED has been constantly taking its actions to arrest the people which all are involved into this scam. Like if you know, previously Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister, the sitting Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, he was arrested. Other people from Aam Aadmi Party have also been arrested. Sanjay Singh, Vijay Nair, so they have been arrested. So now slowly and slowly, ED, continuously they were in the investigation. So now ED, they has grabbed Arvind Kejriwal. So since Arvind Kejriwal is the sitting CM, the Chief Minister of a state, so loads of hypes and news are revolving around Arvind Kejriwal, and because, and the another thing is that elections are about to come, and the elections are not a small election; they are Lok Sabha elections. The general Lok Sabha elections going to be held in a month or two. So now Aam Aadmi Party, what they are blaming is that this is all the political drama by BJP government, and they want Arvind Kejriwal should not contest the elections, and he should not be in a position to convey the masses of Delhi and as a whole India. He should not be in a position to convey his message to the people of India that uh, that people should vote against BJP. This is what Aam Aadmi Party is saying, and this is what the lawyer of Aam Aadmi Party, lawyer of basically Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi CM, he is conveying the same message in the honorable court. But BJP on the other on the other side, what BJP is saying is that this is nothing to do with the elections. This is nothing to do with the elections, and whatever is happening, whatever ED is doing, that's as per the probe of the ED. Whatever ED is doing. So that's for the investigation agency, that's for the ED is an independent agency, ED is behaving as a law. If it is near the election, then like nobody can stop the law, nobody can stop the agency to not act at this very point of time. So law is equal for everyone. So why in these days ED can't act independently? Why ED needs someone permission that these days ED can't act, they can't arrest. This is not good. So this is BJP saying that it is free to take any action. If Arvind Kejriwal is innocent, then he should prove his innocence in the court. And if he has really committed a crime, then obviously he would be behind the bars, and there would be the actions and reactions, whatever whatever would be applicable and implicable on him as per law. So this is what BJP is saying. So passing on arguments, both are blaming each other. This is what happening. So Kejriwal lawyer, the lawyer name of Arvind Kejriwal is Abhishek Sanghvi, and in the honorable court, the person, the lawyer, the advocate who is representing. Yeah, the line was disconnected. So it's back again. So Kejriwal lawyer is Abhishek Sanghvi, and ED lawyer is Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju. So in honorable court. So Abhishek Sanghvi political drama, and his client Arvind Kejriwal, and he's working for the welfare of the citizens of Delhi. And BJP, what BJP motto is to and to make a dilemma, make a situation that Arvind Kejriwal is not able to contest the elections, nor he should be allowed to go into the Delhi streets, and motivate Delhi people to vote against BJP. So that's what Abhishek Sanghvi is saying in the court. But on the other hand, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who is representing ED, Directorate of Enforcement, what he is saying is that this is nothing to do with what Arvind Kejriwal is saying or his lawyer is saying. This is happening because Arvind Kejriwal has committed a crime, he has taken bribery, and he has not acted as per the constitution. So that's what he is saying. So the exchange of barbs are there, exchange of comments, arguments are there in the law, outside the law. Outside the law is Delhi streets. If you go into Delhi streets as of today, you will see lots of people, some are against Kejriwal, some are with Kejriwal, and even the news media channels, newspapers, all are flooded with the Kejriwal. If you see, I have a newspaper. See, this is this I think you are not able to see. So I can see the main heading of today's Times. This is Times City. Delhi streets turn into AAP-BJP Battleground. So they have clearly mentioned that they have turned into AAP-BJP Battleground. If you see here, President ruling city. So like Lieutenant Governor Delhi, Lieutenant Governor is there, Vinay Kumar Saxena. So what he has ensured the people of Delhi is that a government would not run from jail, because as of now Arvind Kejriwal is he's in prison and is passing the instructions out of the jail. So some people are questioning this thing also, that whether he should be allowed to pass on instructions when he is still into the prison. So how can he pass instructions to the people or his party members to work for the people, or any instruction? Because one theory is that if he's into the jail, like he can't hold any meetings also with his party workers, because a meeting which is held is generally confidential. So in jail nothing is confidential. So how can he hold a meeting, how can he pass the orders, how can he do things? Like on the orders, it would be required sign those orders. How Arvind Kejriwal would be allowed to do that? So he cannot be a CM while he into the jail. So if he is into the prison, into the jail, so he should resign from his post. So when he comes out, like tomorrow, if he gets innocency certificate, he comes out, then he can become a CM, re-become the CM of Delhi, and then he can pass the orders and all. But as of now, how he can run the government from jail? This is what some people are saying. And on addition to it, Delhi Lieutenant Governor LG Vinay Kumar Saxena, he also has given a statement that government will not run from jail. This is what he has given the statement. So that's what his statement is. So now you tell me guys that whether the government should be allowed to run from jail or the government should not be allowed to run from jail. You tell me. Let me know into the comment that whether running government from the jail is like a good decision he should be allowed, and would that be into the benefit of the Delhi people, of Delhi ties, or not? You let me know. Okay, and another thing which is happening these days is that Aam Aadmi Party legal cell, they have called for protests in the district courts of Delhi. So see what is happening. Aam Aadmi Party is calling a protest at all the district courts in Delhi. So now when this matter it came into the minds of High Court. So what High Court grew angry on it. They flew in rage. They said it should not be allowed. Court is a place like where you worship. So court is a worship place basically. So like you get your um, whatever you're thinking that something wrong is happening to you, something good is happening to you, you go to the honorable court. So court should not be held for protests. If you want to protest, go outside, but in within the court premises, how one can protest? So High Court is becoming strict on this. High Court is saying that this should not be allowed, and whosoever is doing this, they could be punished. So what do you guys think on that? Like, should someone be allowed to protest even in the court premises? Or the protest should be outside the court premises? Protest could be into the some gathering, some park, or within the court. If protests are going to happen in the court, like how the court proceedings will continue? Tell me one thing. Can it happen? So should it be allowed? Correct. Let me know into the comments. This is a very serious matter. That why people are people are allowed to protest in the court. And another thing is like some speculations are going on that whether there would be presidential rule in the city, in the capital of India, the presidential rule, because Kejriwal, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, he's not now into the CM residence. He's confined to a boundary. He's confined to a prison, to jail. So, like, if he is not the CM and Aam Aadmi Party is not willing to remove him from his post, or Arvind Kejriwal doesn't want to remove himself from as a Chief Minister of Delhi, then obviously there would be disruptions in the working and functionality of the government. So in that very case, the option that Delhi have to have a presidential rule, governor's rule, or there would be another candidate that has to be appointed as a CM of Delhi. If it happens, like if suppose Arvind Kejriwal resigns from his post till the time the matter doesn't resolve. If Arvind Kejriwal resigns from his post as a Chief Minister of Delhi, then what do you think? Who would be the Chief Minister of Delhi? Would it be the wife of a sitting CM? She would be the next face of Chief Minister of Delhi, or would there be any other senior leader of Delhi that would become a new Chief Minister? What do you guys think? Or do you think that at this very point of time, because this has happened in the first time of history of independent India, that a sitting CM has been sent to custody of ED, and that sitting CM, the objection, protests, the charges are getting framed on his name, the possibility of charges or possibility of getting framed, and that sitting CM is in the custody of ED. This is the first time happening. So, what do you guys think? That now, if Arvind Kejriwal resigns today, who will become the CM? Is that his wife will become the chief minister of Delhi, or any other leader? Now, if you see the other leaders of Aam Aadmi Party, one is Atishi. She is like in power basically. She has a big name as of today in Aam Aadmi Party, and Bhagwant Mann, the chief minister of Punjab, he also has a big name in like he holds a status in Aam Aadmi Party. So while Arvind Kejriwal is in custody, so what do you guys think that the responsibilities of Aam Aadmi Party, the responsibility that the party should not dissolve, that party should stand as it is standing, as it was standing before when Arvind Kejriwal was in power, was not in custody, and as of today. So do you think like who will bear the most responsibility in this very crisis case? I would say crisis in the Aam Aadmi Party. Would Bhagwant Mann be leading the? Would be he be leading the party, or Arvind Kejriwal's wife would be leading the party, or like some other names are there like Atishi. Atishi is a very known name as of today in Aam Aadmi Party. Would be leading the party, or do you think that after like custody of Arvind Kejriwal, like some negativeness of Aam Aadmi Party is spreading in the city and in India as a whole? And do you guys think that this very incident which has happened, so that will shook the vote percentage of Aam Aadmi Party in the upcoming General Assembly elections, the Lok Sabha elections basically. In the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, would this whole thing will decline the vote percentage of Aam Aadmi Party, or do you think that whatever this has been happened, that the common man, he has lost his faith in Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, or whether it has made the adverse effects that this very incident, due to this very incident, the vote percentage and the belief of the common man in Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party has inclined, basically has risen. What do you guys think? Let me know into the comments. Because see, the very crucial thing that is going to happen is that the elections are about to come. The Lok Sabha main election, 2024 election, and in which BJP is giving the slogan 400 plus. So in that very case, if this arrest will shake India alliance as well, do you think that India alliance and all the opposition parties will encounter a serious blowback toward their vote percentage due to this matter, or will they gain the vote percentage due to sympathy and all? What do you guys think? Again, let me know into the comments. So this was the discussion that I wanted to have today with you in English. So this is the way I want to improve my English, plus you can also improve English this way. So guys, let me know how this first session was, that we were discussing the latest hot topics, news in English. So how do you like that, our new approach? Let me know into the comments. And if you have not subscribed our channel English Parivar, do it right now. Comment on this video, like this video, and share this video with your known and unknown ones. Thank you. And one more thing, whatever views I have expressed, that is my own personal views. It has nothing to do with anyone. This is my personal views and what I see in the newspapers and all. So let me know your views also into the comment. Thank you. Have a great day.